The UioKee 95Kpa vacuum sealer is designed with a detachable water tank for easy cleaning and an automatic water sensor to prevent overflow, ensuring a safe and user-friendly experience. Equipped with a powerful 230-watt dual vacuum pump, this machine delivers strong suction of 95 kilopascals, making it highly effective for sealing larger food items. Its easy lock handle and built-in bag clamp enhance the sealing process, preventing air leaks and allowing for smooth one-handed operation. The built-in cutter is a thoughtful addition, enabling precise control over bag length, which helps reduce waste and eliminates the need for extra cutting tools. This vacuum sealer offers versatile functionality with modes for dry, light wet, and heavy wet foods, alongside single and double-line sealing options to meet diverse preservation needs. Compact in design, the UioKee vacuum sealer includes a built-in bag holder for convenient storage and comes with an external vacuum hose and a selection of vacuum bags to get started.